ever felt who I like these. Good about myself from my very first kiss. Here when you call, you got it all, and confidence that I never knew. You're the perfect man for me. I love you, I do. But this time, you simply disown me every time. As long as I'm driving along for the ride your way. Day before, there won't be a door that's close to us. I'm putting all my trust in you, 'cause you always be true. Never could I know this would be all you when you're alone, yeah. All for me.
I'm texting already. Makweta,
Thank you.
You certainly brought it tonight. And that was beautiful. Next time, smile a little bit. Okay? Because you're a beautiful girl, okay? Never doubt yourself, okay? That's one thing that God gave you is beauty and a voice. So make use of it.
Malo.
Thank you, Pastor Jolene. Jack Burke?
I have to disagree, okay? Because I think you have an amazing voice, right? I don't think that this song really showed off your talents, right? You looked a little bit awkward on stage. You had one amazing note, which is great. So you had the money note there, but before that and after it was mediocre. This is for my taste, right? And you know that I'm a big fan of yours, a big fan, but I don't think that this was a great song for your choice. However, it's up to the crowd, and you had a lot of votes from overseas, so good luck. But I was saying to Finau earlier, maybe later on when we have two songs, right? And you have a song like that, which you can do, and then you can have a real serious song so you can show the public that you have an amazing voice. Yeah? You just looked a bit awkward and you didn't feel comfortable on stage, but good luck.
You disagreed with Joey, I disagree with you. I think that was a great song choice, Jessica, and I think, you know, when everybody listens, Jessica, I think that this song is actually sung by Jennifer Hudson, the powerhouse of R&B music. And listen, you made it your own, and you sang it just like Jessica. You weren't trying to be Jennifer Hudson, you were Jessica from V-Town. And it was beautiful, and you hit all the high notes, because that's all that matters to me, girl. You hit it. That was beautiful. Good luck.
Thank you.